Hello guys, welcome to my channel Indian History. Today I will tell you about Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun. As we have read that Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur, the Mughal Empire in India, Babur had four sons. Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun succeeded Babur. Humayun was the eldest son of Babur. He had three brothers Kamran, Askari and Hindal. Humayun divided the empire among his brothers, so Kabul and Kandahar were under the control of Kamran, and Sambal and Alwar were given to Askari and Hindal. Reign of Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun. Humayun consolidated the Mughal Empire in 1530. He got the throne of Delhi and Agra. His first achievement was the victory of Kalinga 1531. In 1532, Humayun compelled Sher Shah Suri to surrender, but he simply took the Qutub Shah, son of Sher Shah Suri, as a hostage. So, taking Qutub Shah as a hostage, he left fort to Chunar in the hand of Sher Shah. This was his blunder. I mean to say, it was irrelevant to conquer without consolidation. The same mistake was done by the Sirajuddaula of modern India. While Humayun was busy in eastern India, Bahadur Shah, a young ruler of Gujarat, started the entering Rajputana to expand his territory. Bahadur Shah encircled Mewar, which had a minor rule as Rana Uday Singh. The entire management of the state was in the hand of Rani Karavati. Expedition of Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun. The Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun was alarmed due to the rising power of Bahadur Shah. So he moved towards Chittor. According to a story, Rani Karnavati sent Rakhi to Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun. She asked help from him against the Bahadur Shah of Gujarat. But unfortunately, Humayun neglected this on the advice of his religious teacher. So, in this way, he lost the opportunity of friendship with Rajput. After this, he chased Bahadur Shah and occupied Gujarat. He handed over Gujarat to his incompetent brother Askari. So, before he could reach Delhi, Bahadur Shah recaptured Gujarat, but Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun did not take it seriously and moved to Delhi. This was one more blunder of Humayun. Sher Shah versus Humayun. After the Gujarat expedition, Humayun left for Delhi. He constructed a new city, Dinpana, which had a famous library. Sher Mandal Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun was fond of reading books. His sister Gulwadan Begum wrote his biography. The crisis of Gujarat, in which Humayun was fully involved, proved costly for him because as he was busy in Gujarat expedition on eastern front, Sher Shah Suri occupied Bengal in the Battle of Surajgarh 1538. As Sher Shah became the ruler of Bengal, Humayun was in trouble. So Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun moved towards Bengal, but then he became the victim of Sher Shah conspiracy, dancer and opium of Bengal. Fascinated Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun, so he gave a new name to Bengal, Jannatabad. While Nasiruddin Muhammad Humayun was enjoying in Bengal, Sher Shah strengthened his position in Bengal, but Humayun was awakened only when his brother Hindal declared himself as the emperor of Hindustan or India. So from here Humayun started returning to Delhi. But in the Battle of Chausa 1539 and Battle of Kannauj 1540 he faced defeated against Sher Shah Suri. Humayun as refugee. So after the defeated in the Battle of Chausa and Battle of Kannauj, Humayun somehow managed to escape. He became a refugee. He took the first shelter in the court of Rajput ruler Rana Virsal of Amarkot. Here he met the love of his life mean to say his wife Hamida Bano. For about 10 years, Humayun was in exile, but he came back when Sher Suri died. He was an opportunist, so he defeated Latter's in Battle of Machhiwada, 1555. Finally, he regained Delhi and Agra, but his success short-lived on him because he stumbled on the stairs of the library Sher Mandal and died in the 1555.